Okay. Here's your chicken broth with lemon juice.
Oh yeah. Here, put it on the counter over there.
Ta-da!
And this one, which one's mine?
This one.
Morning hand some. Oh, hey. I think that's one of my favorite things, is the birds. I remember one time I woke up back in my 20s and I was over at somebody else's house and I was getting ready to leave to go. Back then I taught a class, but the birds were singing and I blissed out, and I could see that God was behind the birds, or behind the birds, and all the birds were like resting on the presence of God, and they were singing because it was so beautiful. I know it's weird, but that was a memorable moment. Just that 10 minutes or whatever, I'm hanging out with the birds. And then we have the brat cat. The little brat cat who wants to eat the little birds. This is a good little corner too.
It's not really in anyone's way, and if you're sitting there, no one would really come up to
it. Right. Seems like there's a whole world right here. We got all the little bugs that are eating all our vegetables. And where are they? Because all those leaves are getting munched down on a regular basis, and they're quite happy with the amount of vegetation, and they like only certain things too. They love cucumbers. It's like those are delicacies. Hey, we got some cucumbers over here. Yeah, gobble gobble. And they like the leaves of the big plants there, like broccoli and whatever those are. And I love the little chasing things around of the birds. And they're all chasing somebody. Somebody's always chasing somebody. It's like I chased you out here. Look at that. That was 6 birds in a row. All of them had somebody they were chasing.
Hot pursuit.
You think they're wanting to do the wild thing?
They land on that branch up there. The
Yeah, the
dead
twig.
branch. It's like an outlook post.
There's one on the top. So what were you gonna do?
I have to text Layla to order turmeric essential oil.
Turmeric essential oil. I mean, we've got turmeric in the bulk, we've got turmeric in the powder, and now you're gonna get turmeric in the essential oil. How do they make that, do you think?
I don't know, they must cold press 3 tons of turmeric to make a bottle. I don't know. But it seems like it would be a lot of, but anyway, it's supposed to be very potent. So, I figure it's worth a try.
Turmeric essential oil. And what do you do with it? Put it on your armpits?
You know, I don't really know. I don't know yet. I'm assuming you would ingest it.
Put it in a tea, maybe?
Yeah, or something like that.
Because it's really not that pleasant of a flavor, I don't think.
Yeah, like when you juice it, it's not that pleasant of a flavor. I think it's pretty tepid when you mix it in with a bunch of other food. It's sort of like, okay, well, it changes the color of things, but it's not really spicy, or it's kind of bland, actually. I think.
Yeah, I think so too. And I got some on my hand the other day because I spilled it, and it was on my hand for 2 days.
Yeah, permastain.
I mean, I tried washing it off.
Skin.
I know, I couldn't even get it off.
Yeah.
Okay, so turmeric essential oil, is that it?
There's something else called copaiba that she said does a lot of things, and you know, I actually like the fragrance of it. It's supposed to be good for digestion.
Copaiba?
Copaiba.
Copaiba?
Copaiba. So I'm gonna give that a whirl too.
A little brat, or a big brat, really. Okay, come on, let's go, guys. All right. Another sock or two? I know I want to go to Home Depot and get the slats that I want to get to make my vertical garden.